So welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of VIA, and I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So today in this video we are going to discuss on the CMAT 2024 slot number 1. In that paper there were the one slot of there were the one session. Hello everyone, good evening. Hello everyone. So welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of VIA. I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So today in this video we are going to discuss on the logical reasoning section of the paper on CMAT 2024 slot 1. So we will discuss all the questions of reasoning. We will directly jump on the questions, but before that you can book a strategy call with our experts and to resolve your doubts, to challenge. I know number of doubts you are facing, number of challenges are there, so number of questions you have. So you will get a call from our expert. You can book your consultation call for all your doubts. You just have to comment down the MBA in the comment box. Then you will get a call from our expert. So we will jump on the questions now. Here is the question. First question number 1 is on the screen. Let's try to solve it. What are they saying? Arrange the following words in a meaningful sequence and choose the most appropriate sequence from the given alternatives. So if you see the rain, monsoon, rescue, flood, shelter, and relief. So if I give the sequence out of this, first there will be the monsoon. So B will be there. Then after the monsoon there is a rain. So after B there will be the A. Then there will be the flood. This will be the first, rain is the second, third is the flood. After that there should be the rescue, then there will be the shelter. From that rescue, then who are the people who has rescued, they will get the shelter, and then they will be relief. So it should be BADCEF. That means option number C will be your answer. So let's jump on the second question. It was easier. So in this one, what are they saying? If blue means green, green means white, white means yellow, yellow means black, black means red, and red means brown, then what is the color of milk? So we know that color of milk is white. So what is the meaning of white here? White means yellow. So your answer will be option number C, that is the yellow. Simple. Few questions were really too much easy. You can see it. Now let's see the third question. So the question number 3 is here. A dice is thrown from 4 times and its 4 different positions are shown below. Find the number on the face opposite the face showing 2. So what we have to find out? Opposite to 2. So opposite to 2, we can see here 1 and 3 is there. Similarly, opposite to 2, 6 and 4 is there. So if 6, 4, 1, 3, these are adjacent of the 2. If these are adjacent, then what will be the opposite of 2? Opposite of 2 will be 5. That is option number C will be the answer. Easier. Let's jump on the question number 4 now. A monkey climbs 20 feet at the beginning of each hour and rests for a while. When he slips 5 feet before he again starts climbing in the beginning of the next hour. If he begins his ascent at 8 a.m., at what time will he first touch a flag at 110 feet from the ground? So if you observe, he climbs 20 feet and then whenever he stop for the rest, then he slip back 5 feet. That means we can say that he has climbed 20 and then slip 5. That means we can say that he has covered a 15 feet in a 1 hour. So from 8, if we can see that in 1 hour he can complete a 15 feet. And actually it is a 20, but there is a minus 5 in every hour, right? So we have to find out the 110. So if you observe how much it will be, 15 sevens are, if we see 15 6 are okay. If I see that, if suppose in a 19 means he can cover the 90 feet in the 6 hours, right? Then what we can see, 90 feet after the 6 hours, then on the 7th hour he will cover the next 20 feet, right? That means 90 plus 20, 110 feet he will cover in the 7th hour, and then he will slip away the 5. But before that, when he will touch this 110? On the 7th hour. So 8 a.m. plus 7 hours. So what should be the answer? 8 plus 7, 15. 15 means it should be the 3 p.m. So your answer will be option number B, that is a 3 p.m. Easier. Now let's jump on the next question. Question number 5 is here. If bald is related to blonde, in the same way barren is related to, so in the similar way if you observe, barren will be related to vegetation, farm, fertile, inhabited. So answer will be the fertile. Then let's do the next one. In a row of boys facing north, A is 16 from the left and C is 16 from the right hand. So if you observe this, suppose this is the A who is the 16th from the left, means up to this there are 16, and C who is a 16 from the right. C is also 16 from the right. Now what are they saying? The next step, the B who is fourth to the right of A, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the B. It's fifth to the left of C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth is the B. So how many boys are there in the row? So up to A, these are the 16 and these 16. 16, 16, 32 plus these extra. So how many are there? If you observe it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 plus 8, total will be 40. That means answer is option number B. Easier. Let's do the next question now. In a certain code language, hand is written as HAND. Hand is written as SZMW. So we have to find out how milk will be coded. So if you observe it, these are the opposite letter, right? Like opposite of A is a Z, opposite of N is a W, opposite of, N is a M, D ka W, H is a Z. So what will be the opposite of MILK? Opposite of M will be N. Then I is the 9. That means opposite of 9 will be the 18th letter. So it must be the R. Opposite of L is a O and opposite of K is a P. So your answer will be NROP. That means option number C. Easier. Let's do the next one now. Question number 8 is here on the screen. The cylinder is painted in 6 colors: green, blue, yellow, violet, red and pink. 3 positions are shown below. So if you observe these positions, we can see if on the cylinder, if on the top there is a yellow, on the bottom there is a pink, top or bottom. So which are the adjacent if you observe? So adjacent you can see green, blue, green, violet, right? So except yellow and pink, remaining will be, and there is a red also. So you can see a green, blue, green, violet. So red, which should be this one? Obviously it should be, as you can see, yellow. This one is the green and blue. So this is the green and violet. So opposite, adjacent of pink must be red and remaining will be the violet. So answer will be option number C, that is the violet, because just adjacent to red will be the violet, because adjacent to green is the blue and the violet. So adjacent to red will be the violet. Okay. Then let's do the next question now. Question number 9 is on the screen. Statement assumptions question. Statement is a, you know that your shirt is excellent when people ask about your tailor who tailored the shirt. So what is the assumption? People do not ask about your tailor if your shirt is not good. People want to know the criteria of an excellent shirt. So no, they do not want to excellent shirt, but we can say assumption one is a implicit, right? People do not ask about your tailor because they are saying that you know your shirt is excellent when people ask. So people won't ask if it is not good. So we can say that first one is the implicit. So option number A will be the answer. Let's do the question number 9 now. This is again the arguments one. Which argument is the strong? We have to find out it. So should there be a compulsory medical examination of both the man and woman before they marry each other? This is the statement. We have to find out the argument. First is no. This is an intrusion to the privacy of individual and hence cannot be tolerated. Argument 2 is the yes. This will be substantially reduce the risk of giving birth to children with serious ailment. So we can say that argument 2 is the strong. So answer will be option number B. That is the second argument is the strong. Easier. Let's do the next question now. Mr. X starts walking from his house towards the west. Okay. Suppose this is the house. He has started walking towards the west. After walking 30, he turned towards the right. So after walking 30, he turned towards the right and walked 20. Then he turned towards the left and walked 10. Turn to his left again and walk 40. So if this is a 20, this should be the 40. He now turns to his left and walks 5. Okay, this is the 5. Finally, he turned to his left. So finally, he turned to his left. In which direction is he walking now? He is walking in the north direction. So answer will be option number A. Easier. You can see all questions were really easy. Now let's do the next question. A watch which gains uniformly is 2 minutes slow at 10 a.m. on Monday and is 2.5 minutes fast at 1 p.m. on the following day. When did it show the correct time? So we can say that when it was a 10 a.m., it is a 2 minutes slow. That means it is showing a 9:58. And on the next day, 1 p.m., right? Means next day. This was on the Monday. So on the Tuesday at 1 p.m., it will be 2.5 minutes faster. That means it will be 2.5, right? So if you observe it, we can see it has to gain to correct the time. You can see these 2 minutes and this 2.5 minutes. That means in this total time, how much it will be? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. in the morning, right? 10 a.m., right? And this is the 1 p.m. So Monday to Tuesday 10 a.m. plus 1 p.m. That means we can say that these 24 hours plus these 3. That means 27 hours. In this 27 hours, it has gained how much? This 2 plus this 2.5. That means 2 plus 2.5, 4.5 hours, right? So we can say that it has gained 4.5 minutes in 27 hours. So to show the correct time, it has to gain the 2 minutes. So it will gain 2 minutes in how many hours? Can you do the cross multiplication? 27 into 2 divided by 4.5. So if you observe it, 4.5 into 2 is a 9. That means this will be the 6 times. 6 twos are 12 hours. So it will show the correct time after 12 hours. So 10 a.m. to 12 hours. That means we can say that after 12 hours, how much it will be? It must be the 10 a.m. Is it? 10 a.m. plus 12 hours will be equals to 10 p.m. on the same day. That means on the Monday. So answer will be option number D, 10 p.m. Monday. Easier. Let's do the next question now. Choose the correct word from the given alternatives which bears the same relationship to the third word as the first two. Vigilant is related to alert. Similarly, viable will be related to active, hopeless, useful, feasible. So answer will be feasible. Let's do the next one. Find the odd one out among the following. Bajra, barley, mustard, rice. So if you observe, these three are the grains. So odd one will be mustard. Easier. Next one is the statement conclusion. Okay, Silox question. Let's solve it. Statement is some bags are purses. Some bags are purses. All purses are containers. All containers are suitcase. So what is the conclusion? Some suitcases are bags. That is true. All purses are bags. No. All purses are suitcase. Correct. Some containers are purses. Correct. That means A, C and D follow. So answer will be option number D. That is A, C, D. That's it. Easier. Solve the next one now. Find the number of triangles in the following figure. So if you observe this figure, if you observe this larger square, okay, ABCD. So if I draw here ABCD, which is having these two marks. So we know that in this square, how many number of square are there? How many number of triangle are there? There are the 4 parts. So double of it. That means it will consist of the 4 triangles. Okay. Now, then the next one. If you observe this one, suppose this PQRS. So in this square of PQRS, again, we can see 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will also consist of the 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? 4 right angle triangles and this 4 triangles. So 8 plus 8, 16. Now due to this joint, is there anything extra? If you observe it, we can see due to this triangle is extra. 1, 2, this is a 3 means 8 plus 8 plus this 3 plus due to this you can see this one and these two. So plus 2. So 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 total are 21 triangle. Option number D is the answer. That's it. Let's do the next question now. Miss Lily started her journey from her house and goes 2 kilometers straight. Then she turned towards her right and goes 1 kilometer. She again turns towards her right and goes 1 kilometer again. If finally she is in the northwest direction from her house, then in which direction did she go in the beginning? So we do not know the direction in the beginning. So we'll assume, suppose she is going in the east direction. Let's assume it, okay? So she is going in the east direction 2 kilometer. Then she turned towards her right and goes 1 kilometer. Okay. Then she again turned towards her right and goes 1 kilometer. So this was her house, and this is her final point. Okay, turn what happened initially 2 kilometer, then she turned right 1 kilometer, again turn right and goes 1 kilometer. Okay. If finally she is in the northwest direction from her house. So if you observe, what is this direction? South east, right? But they are saying that if she is in a northwest. So if you observe the direction now, north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. So what we know that southeast, but what is our southeast is there? नॉर्थ करेक्ट मीन्स दिस डायरेक्शन इज द नॉर्थ वेस्ट अगर मैं इसको पूरा चेंज कर दूं इन केस इफ साउथ ईस्ट बिकम द नॉर्थ वेस्ट दैट मीन्स इट इज ए 180 डिग्री राइट नॉर्थ वेस्ट इज हियर but we are showing here that means 180 degree change hai. So if we exactly change the diagram then this east will become the west because we had assumed she is going in the east direction, so in reality it will be the west, exactly 180 degree opposite. So answer will be option number D. Okay, then let's do the next question. What are his reason and assertion? Okay. Given below one level is assertion. Okay, reason R. A person with blood group O is supposed to be an universal donor. That is the assertion. And reason is group O does not contain any antigens. Now we can say, yep, that is true. Now, when group O does not contain any antigens, that's why the person with blood group is supposed to is the universal donor. So both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is correct explanation of the A. That will be the answer. Both are okay. Then do the next question. Decide the following conclusion follows from the information given in the statement. Statement is saying that domestic demand has been increasing faster than the production of indigenous crude oil. So domestic demand is increasing faster. So conclusion is what? Crude oil must be imported. Yeah, if we require it, we have to import it. Second is domestic demand should be reduced. That means any one of this should be the correct. So we can say either one or two follow. Either we have to import the crude oil or we have to reduce the demand. So both either one or two is correct. And now solve this last question. So find out the missing term in the following figure. So if you observe it, these are the square root of 3, 6, 8 and 13. So how is it related to 6? If you add all these 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 13, 30. So this sum was a 30. So this is a 6. So we can see 30 by 5 will be equals to 6. For the second one, if you observe, this is a 4, 7, 3 and 6. So if you add it, what will it be? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 by 5 will be 4. That means this is also correct. This is the 4. So similarly, we will apply the same here. This one is the 9, 10, 5 and 11. So if you add it, 9 plus 10 plus 5 plus 11. How much it will be? 11 plus 9. 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 5, 35. So if you do 35 by 5, answer should be 7. Option number D is the answer. So that's it. That was your overall question paper of the CMAT 24 slot number 1. You can see all questions were really easy. So I hope you have understood it. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe it so that you will get all the solutions of different papers also. You can share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care and stay tuned.